Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Remove the breather conduit. This can be done by pushing on the yellow part of each clip, by hand if you can, or with a flathead screwdriver if you aren't able. With a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the holding screw on the airbox. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws holding the airbox cover. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the clamp holding the airbox. Then shift the airbox. Lift the cover of the flange, then remove the filter. Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. Take the new filter. Put the new filter in. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Close the cover. Reinstall the airbox. Screw the cover back on. Tighten the clamping clip. Screw the airbox retaining screw back on. Put the breather hose back in place. Operation completed.